Welcome once again. In index number, while construction, the selection of average is very important. We can use so many average for constructing index number. Like we can use arithmetic mean to construct a index number. We can also use median for construction in index number, as well as the geometric mean is also useful for construction of index number. So there are so many average which can be used for construction in index number. As far as the arithmetic mean is concerned, arithmetic mean is so much affected with the higher or lower value. It means we are having so many values. If only one value is very higher, then the whole arithmetic mean will be affected due to this. Similarly, the median also having quality or demerits also, merit and demerits also. Median are the middlemost value is over there. So if data is there is so much difference between the data is over there also the median will be same, because median of a series divide a series into two equal parts. One part contains value less than median and second part contains value more than median. Similarly, the geometric mean is also used to construct the index number. So as far as the theory is concerned, geometric mean is the best mean for construction of the index number. So in today's video, we will learn how to use these means for construction of the index number, and with which mean is the best mean for construction for the index number. So I have taken a question for that. That is the selection of average for index number. So one question is over there. The product A, B, C, D. The index number for the product A, the price of the price of the product A is 100 rupees, price of the B is 40 rupees, price of the C is 150 rupees, price of the D is 10 rupees and 200 rupees. This in 2022 it increased to 20 rupees, it increased to 5 rupees, it increased to 25 rupees, it increased to 2 rupees, and it increased to 20 rupees. In 2023 also that increased to 120 to 150, 145 to 60, 175 to 225, at 12 to 15 or etc. So we have to draw a index number using the arithmetic mean, using the median and using the geometric mean. These questions I have seen 2 times in paper of Rajasthan University, especially for the PG classes. This video is very important. So for construction of this, 2021 is the base year. Base year is 2022. So the price of the base year for A, B, C, D and E product, the price is 100 rupees. This price is 40 rupees, this price is 150 rupees, this price is 10 rupees and this price is. So we assume that 2021 is a base year. So the index number for the base year is 100, 100, 100, 100 and 100. We treated is a 100, it's a base year index number. Now for 2021, the price 2021 price increases to 120, 45, 175, 12 rupees, 220 rupees. So the index number for that is. And for 2022 also we have to calculate the price is increases, that is 150, that is 60, 45 to 60, 175 to 225, 15, 12 to 15 and 220 to 230. So we have written this and index number. So very first we will calculate the index number. So this is the table for construction of the index number. This is for 221, this is 22 and 22. First one is 21, this is 22 and this is for 23, okay. This is base year. So the very first 100 is equal to 100, so 120. So 120 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. So that is 120. Now 45 divided by 40 multiplied by 100. So for current year, 45 divided by 40 multiplied by 100, that is 112.5. 175 175 divided by 150 multiplied by 100 for getting the index number of 2022. So 175 divided by 1, that is 116.7. 116.7. 12 divided by 100, 120. Similarly, that is 1110. So the very first we have calculated the index number for 2022. What we have done? 120 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. 45 divided by 40 multiplied by 100. 175 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. 12 divided by 10 multiplied by 100 and 220 divided by 200 multiplied by 100. Next, what we have to do? Next one, that is base year is same. Base year is same. So 150 divided by 100 multiplied by this, that is 150. So base year is same. So for 2023, 150 divided by 100 multiplied by 100. So first one is 150. Second one is 60 divided by 40 multiplied by 100, that is 150. Third one is 225 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. That is also 150. Okay. Then 15, that is also 150. 230 divided by 200 multiplied by 100. 230. That is 115. So we have calculated the index number for all items. Okay. Now, firstly we are getting the total. So that is 500. The total of index number this. Now, getting 120 plus 112.5 plus 116.7 plus 120 plus 1110. So that is 579.2. 600, 715. Okay. So the very first arithmetic mean, getting the arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean, first one, the arithmetic mean value. So 500 divided by 5, that is 100. 579 divided by 5, that is 115.8. 715 divided by 5, that is 143. So arithmetic mean having the difference, that is 143. So the very first we have calculated average of this. So 500 divided by 5, addition of this is 579.2 divided by 5, and addition of this is 150, 600, 715 divided by this. Next, median. Median is the middle value of this. Median is the middle value of all these. So first median is 100. Now we keep in ascending order. One first item, second this, third this, fourth this, and fifth this. For getting the median, firstly I should explain you how to calculate median. For median, we have to do the ascending order, serial number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So smallest is 1110, then 112.5, then 116.7, then 120, then 120. So median is n plus 1 upon 2, that is 5 plus 1 upon 2. So median is third item, so that is median 116.7. And in this first item, second, third, fourth is equal, so median will be 150. So with the help of the arithmetic mean, if you are to calculate the index number with the help of the arithmetic mean, that will be 115.8 and this is 143. If we are to calculate from median, then this will be 116.7 and this will be 150. Now from geometric mean also, with the help of as we are saying that the geometric mean is the best measures for measuring index number. So first will be 100. Now we have to calculate the geometric mean of this. Okay, for getting geometric mean of this, x item is 1110, 112.5, 116.7, 120 and 120. So log x we have to calculate. The very first we have to calculate the value of log x for that. So the value of log x to be calculated. So 3 item 2 point, 3 item 2 point, 3 item 2 point, 3 item 2 point and 2 point. Now we will see log. We have available the log table in end of our book is over there. So we will see the log 11 8 to 0, as already I have explained. 11 to 0, 0.414, 0.414. 11 S2, 11 S2, that is 0.8, 11 S2, 0.492, 0.492, and the difference is 5. So 11 2 and difference is 11 for 2 and difference is 5, that is 20. So that is 2150. So 0512. Now seeing the log of 11 at 6. So log of 11 at 6, that is 0645. You can having this log table in your book and you can calculate 11 on 6 is 0.645. So that is 0645. 11 at 6, 11 at 6, that is 0645, and the difference is 7. So the difference is 7, that is 26. So adding in 26 in this, so 1760, 0671 2. Okay. Now 12 at 0, 12 to 0, 0792, 12 0 0792. So that will be 0792 and this will also 0792. So we will add all these items for getting anti-log. So firstly, the addition of these all items we have to calculate. So 2.0414 plus 2.0512 plus 2.0671 plus 2.0792 plus 2.0792. So the total is 10.3138. 10.3138. So the geometric mean is equal to anti-log sigma log x divided by, and this will the formula. So anti-log 10.3138 divided by 5. So 2.063. So answer will be 2.0636. Anti-log of 2.0636. So this is the value of this anti-log 2.0636. It means we have to see anti-log of 06 at 3. We are seeing anti-log of 0.06 at 3. So we can having we are having anti-log, this anti-log table in your, you will available in your examination. So we have to see 06 at 3, that is 1153, 1153. 06 at 3, that is 1156, 1156, and the difference is 3. So 06 difference is 3, that is 1. So 1157. So this is 1157. 115.7. So the geometric mean of this, that is 115.7. So we have calculated the geometric mean of this index number. Now we will calculate the another one geometric mean of second index number. For already we have discussed how to calculate geometric mean. Againly I am repeating. Here the x item is 115, 150, 150, 150 and 150. So the log x is 2.2.2.2.2. Because item is 3, so odd number is 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to see the log 11 to 5. 11 to 5, firstly we have to see the log x, that 11 on 5. So 11 on 5, that is 0607. 0607. 15 to 0, that is 1761. 15 to 0, that is 1761, 1761, 1761, 1761. So we will add these all items. So that will be 2.0607 is the first item, and 2.1761 4 times, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times is 10.7651. 10.7651. So the geometric mean is equal to anti-log sigma log x divided by in the formula. So anti-log 10.7651 divided by 5. So dividing this with the 5, we are having anti-log of 2.1530. 2.1530. It means 0.15. We have to see the anti-log of 0.15 at 3. So we are having this anti-log table 0.15 to 3. 0.15 to 3 is 1422. 1422. So 0.1422 and 2 is over there, so point will be here. So then there will be 142.2. So with the help of the arithmetic mean also we can having the index number. With the help of the median also we can having the index number, and as well as with the geometric mean also we are having the index number. But as far as the geometric mean is concerned, this is treated as the best measures for measuring the index number is over there. So 2 times this question was in the examinations, especially for the PG examinations, that construct the index number with the help of arithmetic mean, median and geometric mean for the following data. So the following data already, that data was given, and how to calculate these measures of statistics you may be learned with the help of this video. So I think this video will be helpful for you to learn how to calculate index number with the help of arithmetic mean. With the help of arithmetic mean we have already done some questions, but with the help of median and with the help of especially geometric mean, the first question we have done. So it's very important. In weighted index number also there is very important of the geometric mean is also. So later in next video we will learn how to use geometric mean in weighted index number also. Thank you.